When it comes to consumer electronics, Huawei has been really aggressive in offering its lineup of devices that fits into each and everyone's different lifestyles. You're familiar with the company's smartphones, tablets, laptops, and of course, its array of wearables. And what we have here are the latest in its category. Hey guys, Kevin here, you're with the Modern Creatures and welcome to another video. This is our unboxing and first look at the Huawei Watch GT3 Pro in 43 and 46mm variants and of course the Huawei Watch Fit 2. Let's go! Okay, so let's begin with the unboxing. Let's first start with the Watch GT3 Pro in 43mm. So this is the smaller one between the two, and what we have here you can see it closer here. What we have here is the silver bezel with white ceramic case and a white leather strap. So it's there, it's written on the back. And you can see from the box itself, it already looks really premium and very elegant. So without further ado, let's begin with the unboxing. So I already did a small tear in the plastic right here, so I can easily peel this off. Alright, so we have the box itself right here. And now let's remove this. So there we go. First thing we see, of course, is the watch itself. It looks very, very nice. And we have the Huawei logo right here. And this pull tab here. So let's first get the device, the watch itself. So it looks really nice, but let's set this aside for now. And let's see what's inside the box. So maybe put that. The first thing we see after pulling this tab is another compartment that shows all the included accessories. So basically, what we have right here is this packet that contains the charging cable and the wireless charging cradle. So here. So unlike the previous model, so this is no longer detachable compared to the previous one, which, wait, let me try and get. So this is the charging cradle of the Huawei Watch GT2 that I'm wearing right now. So it comes with this USB-C cable that plugs in there, and comparing that to this new one, you know, it's different now. It's already in there and you can no longer detach it. So that's one thing that's different. The next thing inside are just a couple of warranty and user guide, basically. QR code for setting up your device, your warranty card, and, you know, guide. And that's all there is to the package. So let's now move on to the device itself, because I know you've been wanting to check the device out and see the things that are new, see how it's now built. Does it look more premium? Okay, so let's remove it from this thing right here, and it has this all-white color to it. It's very nice. It looks very elegant. From the frame down to the bezel and of course the strap, it's all white. So one problem that might arise is that since it's all white and it's this leather strap, it might easily get dirty, period. So it depends what kind of user you are, if you're careful about these things or, you know, you're not careful about these things. So that's one thing to consider. It comes with this white bezel that is supported by this like chrome ring with this like ridges to it. So it doesn't rotate, even though the design kind of suggests that. So it's fixed, but it just adds, I guess, you know, bling. Yeah, it adds bling because it's very flashy. So are the buttons on the side. You have this button right here, and you have this more traditional standard looking crown right here. So yeah, so you have those two buttons and nothing more. Underneath you have the sensor right there and a very glossy back cover right here. And just like before, it comes with this easy to snap mechanism right here. If you want to replace or just remove the strap there, it's very easy to remove and replace. And putting it back, just have to slide it in there, and then it's fixed. It's there, it's ready again. And for charging, the cradle snaps on using magnet easily, so it's secure, and just have to plug this side to an adapter. And for the screen itself, it comes with sapphire glass, and Huawei says the frame is made of nano crystalline ceramic, so it should be tough. should be durable, and also it feels a lot more premium when you're wearing it, when it's on your wrist. So there you have it, really nice. This will be for Vika. She's been looking at this for a while now, and with this all white color, she just loves it. So our review will be focused mainly on Vika using this, so watch out for that. Let's put it aside and let's now move on to the bigger sibling, which is right here. This is the 46mm variant of the GT3 Pro. And for this one, it says here that the case is made of light titanium and the strap is made of gray leather. So there you have it. You can see it right there. Again, I made it easier to unwrap. I like the feeling of unboxing something, you know. It's almost like unboxing a Christmas present. So there's that excitement, there's that feeling of wonder, like, oh, what could this be? What could be inside the box? So yeah. Oh wow. So if the 43mm variant is very elegant, this one looks very premium with black and gold on the box, like right there. See, it looks very, very premium. So again, let's remove the watch first and dive into what's inside. But oh, nice. It's got a very formal strap because this one is made of rubber. So it's more for the active ones, you know, sweating, biking, maybe swimming. But this one with its gray leather, I find it more for like formal events. This will look great on like a polo shirt or even a suit maybe. So it's very nice, and you have this brown underside for the strap. And as I mentioned, the frame is made of titanium, which is very durable and lightweight at the same time. So it even has this, here, check it out. It even has this nice, sleek design and build. Let me remove my GT2 Pro so I can just do like a quick side-by-side comparison for the build quality. So on top is the GT2 Pro, and at the bottom is the GT3 Pro. So as you can see, they're kind of similar. They both have that minimalist approach to them, but I think the GT3 Pro is now slimmer. See the sides right there? And one difference is that the GT2 Pro comes with like these two crowns right here, but the GT3 Pro now only comes with one and a flat function button. So I guess it's this way it's easier to determine which one is the power button and main power button and which one is the function one. Okay, now let's head to the box. I said I was gonna go ahead and check out the box, but we ended up doing inspecting the strap first. But now let's go check out the box. Again, let's open it through this tab right here. It will reveal a small compartment, and that should hold the same packet with the charging cradle inside and the charging cable, of course, which is now attached and no longer detachable from the cradle itself, the magnetic cradle. So again, it attaches easily, and just have to plug in this side to a USB port and you're good to go. It supports wireless fast charging, so that should be a lot faster than the GT2 Pro that I have right here, which, you know, I just leave it charging for after a while and it should last 2 weeks. And the same is the case for the GT3 Pro. Huawei claims you'll get a 2-week battery life, which so far has been reliable for the GT2 Pro. Now for the smaller GT3 Pro, you only get around 7 days of battery life in a single charge. So that's basically half of the life you're getting with the GT3 Pro 46mm variant. But they have the same form factor. They both have easy to release straps right here. Okay, before we power up these devices, let's go first and check out the last device that we have, the Watch Fit 2. This is basically more for those who want to prioritize tracking their activities. Starting this new diet or exercise, you can easily pick this one out and enjoy all its functionalities without the extra bulk of its price tag. So again, Watch Fit 2, we've had the first Watch Fit, and you can actually watch Vika's review on that, and she will be the one to review this as well. But if you want to see the difference it has from the Watch Fit, original Watch Fit, the video will be somewhere here. But yeah, let's dive on to the Watch Fit 2. From the box itself, it comes with this 1.74-inch full-view display. It now has Bluetooth calling, healthy living shamrock, durable battery life, quick workout animations, automatic SpO2, which is your blood oxygen level, independent music playback, scientific sleep monitoring, and 97 workout modes. So they're all there at the back. You can check those out. And there's actually more, which we'll get to right after the unboxing. So again, here it is. Let's remove it. It has a different, packaging from the GT3 Pro. So once you remove it, you're now introduced to smaller boxes right there. Opening one will lead you to its user guide and warranty card. There we go. And the other one, again, as you would expect, is the charging cable. But this time, unlike the Watch GT3 Pro, which has its own cradle, its own circular cradle right here, what you get with the Watch Fit 2 is the USB cable with its own magnetic, smaller cradle right here. See that? So this thing attaches to the back of the watch, which we will see right now. So let's pull this and get this out of its package. Pop this out. See that it now can connect through the sensor right there. It connects magnetically as well. So yeah, same principle. It uses magnet to attach to the watch itself and charge the device. Onto the watch itself, it comes with this rubber strap, which is just right for your activities, your physical activities. So you can use it even when you're sweating, even when you're maybe under the rain. It won't damage the strap because it's silicone and it's very durable. So it comes with this sort of shiny black. It's actually muted and it's not really loud and it's very subtle. So that's a nice touch. For buttons, you have one button on the side right here that should cycle through the menu and the different settings that it has. Okay, so now that we've successfully unboxed these three new devices and we've seen what their boxes include, it's now time to turn them on, set them up, and check out what they offer in terms of features. And that's about it for our unboxing and first look at the Huawei Watch GT3 Pro and the Huawei Watch Fit 2. As always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.